Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Andrew channel. So today we're going to learn about how to do amazing name as a background. So today I'm going to tell you about how to edit your video title is more professional with the Vegas Pro 16. So now we go to import our media first. Okay, let's go. Project media, import our media. So when you keep your file, you can go and just click it. So I want dancing song. Okay, this one. Okay, so now I just pull it. Go to taskbar. Yes. Okay, and then I go to the media generator. Okay, click on it, and we select legacy test. Okay, so which style that you want, that you prefer? For me, I want a black one. Okay, and pull it. Okay, now let's test. Simple test. So you can test your name. Like my name is Andrew. Okay, here Andrew. This one is a placement. So where you want to replace it. Okay, or you can click here free form, or you can set in the middle of the project. And this one is a property. This one you can change the color style, and it did go to change the font style. We want a bigger enough. Okay, and we need a big letter, so we need the ink one. Yes, yeah, it's big, and that's nice. I want big more than this one. Okay, this one, or you want this one. It's up to you what you prefer and what it look like. Okay, now you don't see the background, so we go to properties, and then we can select on the background if you don't want a background. Okay, if you want, just click it. If you don't want it high or low. Okay, and effect is draw outline. So what is the outline color you prefer? Okay, so now you don't see it when you click here. Okay, because it's yeah, this one. Okay, and draw shadow. So shadow I don't need yet. This one is depend on you which one you prefer. Yeah, or maybe a yellow one. Okay, that's finished. You see, and now what we're going to do is we do we, we see here, you see. So now the background I make it black. This one, and this one I pull it to see the inside. Okay, or you can totally black. Yes, that's fine. It look nice. Okay, now let's play it. but this one is don't have animation, so we go to where? Okay, we go crop. Okay, go to crop position, and don't forget to see this one at the first and pull it to the end. Add keyframe, and then you pull it to inside. Okay, that's fine. So now let's see what's look like. Okay, that is look nice. And if you want to change or add your name here, you can just go to the same test, and you select this one. Okay, and you tap your name again. Oh, sorry. So my channel is not all the capital. Okay, here's my name, and the font I need small. Okay, this side, and color I prefer okay, this one. Yeah, that's finished. And then I go to crop again. Oh, sorry. We do the background. Yes, background here. So which color you prefer? Yeah. Okay. Yes, this one. Okay, that's fine. And you don't see the picture, the video. So now we go to crop. So what the next? Mask. Click mask, and then you select rectangle and select what you want. Okay, and this one is feeder. You feeder both side, in and outside. Okay, make it big enough. Okay, so now we pull, go to position. Okay, can click here. Just okay, that's finished. Okay, now play it.
VFX.
Okay, that lesson is finished. Thank you for your time and watching with me. Thank you. May God bless you.
VFX.